True fact. If you rub your hands with a little bit of oil, it doesn't matter, vegetable, coconut, olive oil, any one. Rub your hands with some oil before you peel green bananas. Washing your hands afterward will be a cinch. If you don't, the stain will cling to your hand and be a nuisance. Now, to peel green bananas, first thing you need is a sharp paring knife and bananas. Now, bananas, you buy fingers of bananas attached to a hand in the grocery store. So separate the fingers, cut them aside one by one. To peel them, cut the tip off of the banana, run the knife along one of the ridges, flip the banana around, and run the knife along another ridge. Set the knife down and use the pad or the side of your thumb to pull the skin away from the flesh. There will be a little bit of skin left. Grab the knife and run it right along the length of it, and either use the back of the knife to press the skin away or set the knife down and use your finger to repeat the process. Set the bananas in cold water to hold and keep them from discoloring until you're ready to cook them. Get a pot of boiling water on the stove, add some salt and a little bit of oil to also stop the stain from clinging to the pot. Once you have the water boiling, add in your bananas. You can boil bananas with dumplings, yam, and any other type of ground provisions.